guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, then welcome. My name is Allis and I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and do it. Join the family. I'm waiting. Alright, let me just sit here and give you a minute. Let me give you a minute. Just do it, okay? Just do it. Just go ahead and get it done. I'll wait. Okay, good. Thanks. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing video. I love to do these on a monthly basis. I find them to be so fun, and I also think that you guys enjoy them too because you kind of get to see the things that I get in my box, and you can probably try them out with me. If you have Boxycharm, go ahead and join me. Open your box. Let's sit down, sip some wine, sip some juice if you are underage, and let's just go ahead and get rolling. If you guys do not know, then I do these on a monthly basis where I unbox my Boxycharm for the month because I do like to show you guys everything that I got on. If you also don't know, I also like to try on everything that comes in my box and kind of like give you guys a first impression sort of like try on of the products that come in the box. So right now I did take a quick peek as to what we have going on in this month's box. It is very exciting. So I'm going to open it up again because I already opened it. So I'm going to open it up here and just kind of show you guys what's going on. If you do not know, Boxycharm is just a monthly subscription service where you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. It is a steal of a deal because you pay 21 buckaroos and you get some good stuff. So worth the money, and to me it is definitely my favorite subscription service. Subscription. One day I'm going to learn how to say that word. However, that day is not today. Here we have the theme of this month's box. This theme is Galaxy Glow. So this is pretty exciting because it seems like we're going to be getting some pretty colorful things in the box this month. So first thing I have here is this 3-piece Pro Brush Trio by Crown Brush, and this goes for $29.99, so 30 bucks, and you get yourself 3 different brushes. Use this 3-piece brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbone. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. So I already actually did my foundation off camera, and I also did my concealer, so I won't be able to test how good this conceals, but the brushes do feel extremely soft. Oh yeah, mama likes. These are really, really soft. I'm excited to try these out. So I'm going to start with this right here. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Moisturizing Lip Buffer. Your index finger, gently massage the product onto the lips and rinse with cold water or wipe with a wet tissue to reveal soft, gentle skin. It smells really good. Oh yeah, this is definitely a lip exfoliator. This is really soft and like fruity smelling. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of like bazooka gum. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Like bazooka bubble gum. Bubble gum, bazooka, zooka, bubble gum, bazooka. It's a little oily, but overall it feels really comfortable. It's not that bad just because you kind of do need something a little bit more oily, especially if you're looking for something to hydrate your lips. So I definitely think it did what it was supposed to do, and it leaves you with like very soft lips. So I like it. So let's see what else we have in the box, shall we? This CoverFX Shimmer Veil. It seems like it's an eye product and it goes for $28. A shimmering cream color, actually. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty like iridescent purple shade. It almost reminds me like of unicorns. So it's really pretty. I'm going to try this on my eyes. I'm actually going to do an eye look with it. Something really quick though, nothing too crazy. I'm going to grab my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. This did not come in the Boxycharm this month, but I can't use this on its own. It's just like a shimmer cream eyeshadow, and I just can't use it on its own. And the other thing in the box this month is a highlighting palette, so I just need something else to use on my eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead with this color right here, and I'm just going to use it to just put it in my crease and back and forth windshield wiper motions. I don't typically like to grab things that are not in the Boxycharm, but sometimes in situations like this, you kind of have to because I just won't be able to create a true look for you guys with just this thing. Like, I need more. I need more. Grab this shade right here, and I'm also going to put that on my crease. I'm going to grab a little bit of this deeper purple right here just for a little bit more dimension. And I'm going to put this directly in my crease. I'm just kind of piling the colors one on top of the other. I'm going to grab the CoverFX Shimmering Veil. This one is in the shade Amethyst. This seriously reminds me so much of unicorns. So I like the formula so far because it's not like super wet. It's applying with enough of a punch, but it's also not sticky and it's not too runny or too dry. You want to know what? This would also be really pretty if you were to do this like as a cut crease, and put some concealer beneath it, because that way it would stand out even more. I should have probably done that, but it's too late. Okay, so I think that's dry now, and it took maybe about like between a minute and a half. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on and everything, what I'm going to do now is just grab a little bit of the Vintage by Jessica Leapskin Smoky eyeliner. So I'm gonna take this eyeliner and just run it on my lower lash line. It's definitely very creamy, and it doesn't tug or pull at the eyes, which is always a good thing. I'm also gonna grab the, I don't even know what to call this. I keep like stumbling over my words when I'm referring to this, but I'm going to grab the Shimmer Veil on my lower lash line as well. Now moving on to the rest of the face, I'm going to grab this last product that I have in the box right here. This is the Naked Cosmetics Highlighting Palette, and this is the Holographic Highlighter Palette, and this is originally $40, $39.99. These really pretty, like, holographic, galaxy-inspired colors. Being completely honest, I don't typically use stuff like this because to me it's very unrealistic. But it's also pretty fun, and in any event where you want to kind of step out of your comfort zone, do something a little diff, you know, be a little extra bougie and wear some pink highlighter or some purple and blue and yellow highlighter. Girl, do you. This is a free world, okay? This is America, okay? So you do what you gotta do, honey. But I personally do not consider these things my cup of tea. I don't gravitate towards them. But whatever, we're gonna go for it today because I'm feeling like I can rock some purple unicorn highlighters, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do just that. I'm going to grab this brush right here from the trio. I don't know. I think I'm going to go with the purple so it can match my eyes. Ooh. Oh my god, this is pigmented. It's pretty. It's definitely a very pigmented product. And just to swatch the others for you guys, I'm just going to grab the blue. Very pigmented, and I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is kind of like a rosy color. The green. So the last thing I'm going to do is just put some lip gloss on, just because we did not get a lip product this month, but I feel like I need lip gloss right now because this look, it requires lip gloss. I'm using this one by NYX. This is the Mega Shine Lip Gloss, and this is Sugar Pie. So now that I kind of like fixed my hair a little bit, I'm feeling this purple look. I'm feeling the purple, okay? It's like this highlight is speaking to me. I added a little bit more. You know what? I'm going to just add a little bit more yellow too. I'm going to pack it on. I'm going to pack it on to the gods because, you know, we're serving today. Okay, purple highlight come through. I'm feeling it. I'm all the way here for it. So I'd just like to make an announcement, you guys. Just letting you know, the purple highlight can sit with us. It's one of us now, okay? On Wednesdays, we don't wear pink anymore. We wear purple. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much going to complete this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. At first, I was a little bit hesitant about it. I wasn't feeling it all the way. I was like, okay, I'm not feeling it too much. It's a little too crazy for me. A little bit too much. But now, I'm feeling it. Now, I'm realizing kind of like the purpose of this whole box. It was to be a bit more on the fun side, a little bit more on the airy, don't take yourself so serious, makeup is fun side, and I kind of see what they did there. Overall, the value, let me just add it up for you guys. I can't do quick math, so let me just pull up my calculator. It was $142.98. Y'all, get your Boxycharm, alright? Get your Boxycharm. I don't know what you're waiting for. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much going to complete this makeup tutorial right here. Subscribe to my channel. Just do it, okay? Just do it. It's free, alright? I ain't charging you for it. I ain't charging you. Let's be a family. Like, I don't know why you're sitting here acting like you don't want to be my friend. Like, just be my friend, okay? Just be my friend. Okay, alright. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.